This is the SP45 Narrow, one of a new generation of environmentally conscious self-propelled boom lifts from Niftylift. With the ability to be driven from the basket while elevated, it delivers an outstanding working envelope from a narrow aisle maneuverable chassis. The SP45N's compact dimensions make it ideal for working in a wide range of environments, but it is particularly well suited to industrial locations, such as factories and warehouses, where narrow aisle operation is required. Driven from the basket, it can be moved quickly from one location to the next. Efficient drive motors provide power and gradability, which, together with a compact turning radius, make maneuvering easy, especially where ground space is restricted. Its impressively low overall weight helps to minimize ground disturbance during use. This allows the machine to safely operate on a wider range of surfaces while reducing running costs and emissions due to lower fuel consumption. This low weight, coupled with its compact dimensions, can also reduce transportation costs, as a smaller, more efficient site-to-site transport vehicle can be used. The SP45N's impact-resistant tough cage basket can accommodate 2 people and their tools. Fully proportional controls deliver smooth, measured operation, while a telescopic upper boom, basket rotation, and jib arm allow for precise positioning anywhere in its class-leading unrestricted working envelope. The SP45N is available with 2 power options: all-electric or Niftylift's revolutionary second-generation hybrid power system. All-electric incorporates a super-efficient power system with all-electric drive that allows the batteries to work for far longer than traditional battery-powered machines, so more tasks can be completed on a single charge and running costs reduced. Hybrid incorporates a power-optimized diesel engine supported by the machine's electric motor when extra power is needed. This maintains power and performance while reducing fuel consumption for maximum efficiency. The innovative diesel regen feature also recharges the batteries, giving a fast charge whenever the machine is idle and the engine running. In addition, an electric-only mode allows zero-emission operation, making it ideal for indoor use or for quiet, clean operation. Every SP45N manufactured since the 1st of January 2020 is now fitted with Nifty-Link as standard. Nifty-Link is a powerful digital analytics tool that provides valuable data insights on your machine's health, activity, and location. The SP45N also features onboard diagnostic screens at both base and basket, giving owners and users more information than ever before to help identify faults and assist with maintenance activities. No setup is required, so it can be driven from one work position to the next in any boom position, saving time and improving efficiency during tasks. Operating the SP45N is easy. After turning the base key switch to the basket position, simple-to-use, fully proportional levers control all boom movements. By simply raising or lowering the levers, while pressing and holding the green power button or foot pedal, the user can easily and accurately move each boom individually or together to position the basket. As well as the controls in the basket, there are also controls at the base. These provide a safety backup for the user and also allow the booms to be raised from the ground for security or maintenance purposes when the machine is not in use. The user simply turns the base key switch to the base position and then activates the levers in the same way as the basket controls. There is a red E-stop near every green power button on the machine. This allows the machine to be stopped quickly from either the base or the basket in the event of an emergency. Every Niftylift incorporates check valves on all hydraulic cylinders to ensure that, in the unlikely event of a hose failure, the machine will remain safely in position until the user activates the controls. Fail-safe brakes ensure that the machine's base will not move unless under operation. And a tilt alarm sensor will notify the user, preventing use if a slope greater than its safe operational limit is detected. The SP45N features Niftylift's multi-award-winning Sustained Involuntary Operation Prevention System, or SIOPS. SIOPS instantly stops all machine functions if the user is pushed onto the basket control console by an obstacle, preventing serious injury. The SP45N also comes with an independent auxiliary descent at the base and in the basket, which, when used in conjunction with the function controls, allows the machine to be safely lowered to the ground even without power. With maintenance-free batteries, pins and bushes, durable hydraulic hoses, and only a few easy-to-access grease points to service, maintaining the SP45N is quick and simple. So that's the SP45 Nero. It combines space-saving design with advanced power source technology to deliver outstanding performance from a compact, low-weight, and maneuverable chassis, ideal for working anywhere that ground space is restricted.